Karnataka now, where the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Court in Bengaluru has issued a warrant against Railway Minister's son Kartik Gowda. The warrant has been issued following an actor's complaint alleging cheating and rape. Pooja Prasanna joins us live with more. Pooja, can you bring our viewers up to speed as to what has happened? Because we had Kartik Gowda coming out and outrightly denying all these charges. So what has the court observed?
Well, Anand, that clarification had come to the media over a week ago. That was the day right after the complaint was lodged by Maitreyi Gowda. After that, two summons were issued to Kartik Gowda, and he refused to turn up in front of the Bangalore police for questioning. And the second summons, of course, expired on Wednesday, because of which today the Bangalore police did go ahead and get an arrest warrant for Kartik Gowda. Let's remember that Maitreyi Gowda and her family have been repeatedly questioned by the Bangalore police since she went ahead and filed complaint. And Kartik Gowda has refused to come and answer any questions and also take the medical test that was due to be administered to him by the Bangalore police. That is what has caused this particular arrest warrant to be issued against Kartik Gowda. This, of course, on a day when the Gowda family has applied for anticipatory bail, and that plea has come up in front of Magistrate Court here in Bangalore. Of course, arresting Kartik Gowda or not will be subject to what really happens in court in that particular plea hearing.
So when is that plea hearing scheduled, Pooja, and what will happen next?
Anand, that hearing was scheduled for 3 p.m. today. Even as we speak, the hearing is going on. Of course, the verdict is yet to be out. In the meantime, a 4-member police team was formed by the Bangalore police, and they have been on the lookout for Kartik Gowda. Sources have told us that Bangalore police believe that he is in Sadanand Gowda's Bangalore residence. Of course, now they will wait for that anticipatory bail plea hearing to be completed, and based on its outcome, will they go ahead and arrest him or otherwise.
Now, what is the position as far as Kartik Gowda and his counsel is concerned? Are they planning or mulling the option of approaching a higher bench or a higher court to try and quash what has been observed today?
Of course, that question can only be answered after the hearing is complete, Anand. As of now, Mr. Sadanand Gowda and Kartik Gowda too have been saying that they will cooperate with the law. They have nothing to hide, and in fact have gone ahead and denied all charges made by the actress. They have said that they will allow the law to take its own course, but clearly that has not translated into action, with Kartik Gowda almost absconding, as the Bangalore police say, for over a week now. So based on the outcome of that particular bail plea hearing, will they go ahead and decide the future course of action?